Right, unboxing. I've opened the thing. I've got my wee letter opener that I once nearly got stopped on getting on a plane with that. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's part of a Swiss Army card that I keep in my wallet, which I no longer keep this in my wallet. Anyway, the rice maker has arrived. Reishunger. Got that packaging. The camera see that? There we go. Is that better? Aha. Oh, it's not too heavy. Don't drop it, Donald. Istruzioni per cuocere il riso. Instructions for cooking the rice. I'm going to have to learn Italian. Oh no, there's the English instructions. German. There we go. Oh, a thing of beauty. This must be the front then. That's the hinge. That's this is the hinge. Read the instructions, Donald. There we go. Remove the power plug. It must be inside. Press the button on top. The heating element, I think. Tray, spatula, measuring cup. I think that's an actual cup size. Plug and a non-stick container. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? I think that might be a steamer. There we go. Fantastic! It is a steam insert for vegetables. There we go, that's the grand unboxing. Ta-ta for now.